today I bought fidgets and products off AliExpress to test them. Let's get started with our first package. Now, I don't know what this is yet, but I think it might be two things. So when it's open, I'll tell you and we can see. Oh, okay. So this is my, I don't know what to call them, but like they're things that go inside out. They look really cool. And my keyboard. So let's see here. Looks like we have 6 of them. See, look at this. And it color changes. You saw that? Anyways, so here's one. We also have this one here. Pretty strange. And then we also have this one, just a classic little cone, you see. And these were $7.82 for all 6 of these. But I think it was a pretty good deal. We also have this like triangle square one. And then we have this one. It's not the same one, it's different. There's 2 of these type. And that's all for that. And then there's also one more item that we ordered in here. It's the keyboard. And this was $3.65. So I would rate this product a 10 out of 10, honestly. Nothing wrong with it. And these, I would also rate a 10 out of 10 because I saw ones on there for like $2 a piece, and we have 6 of them here that we got for $7.82. So I think that would be a good idea because if we paid $2 for all of them separately, it would be $12. So I think this combo pack was a really good idea. Let's get our next package. Next package. It's like a dragon egg online. I'll put up the picture right here. But let's see what we got. Whoa, wow. I think this is glow in the dark. So also a thing of that. But this is like really cool. Look at those eyes. And then we have the dragon egg here. But this is just like very like bendy and it's pretty cool. So let me check how much this was. This was $4.60. I am going to rate this a 10 out of 10. And here's the egg that it comes in. So it's not like, you don't have to like crack the egg, it's just like a screw-on egg. Anyways, next package. Ooh, this is my Dinosaur game. So I think we have to set it up. So I'll be right back and I'll show you how it looks set up. Alright, so I set it up, but I don't really know how to play. So I put the dinosaurs in that little thing and put these stickers around the container. So I can drop it with this button here, and I can move it with this thing here. So the goal is to catch one of them. So I'm going to try to catch this one here. I got it! Now it's supposed to come out through this, I think, but it doesn't come out through that. I've tried to pull this, I've tried everything, but this is pretty practical, except the fact that it doesn't come out of the hole, so you'd have to just take the cap off. But it's like a fun game to play when you're bored, so for that reason, I'll go like 7 out of 10. Next box. Here is our next box. So this is 2 things, but we'll get started with this one first. And I actually forgot to say the package of the last item, or the price of the last item, so let me see how much it was. I don't know. Anyways, this is supposed to like go like woo, woo, woo. I'll show it up right here. Whoa. Wait, that's cool. I wish you could feel this right now. So it's supposed to like be slippery. So let's see this. This is really fun and exactly like the video said, and it feels pretty durable. So I would give it a 10 out of 10. And this was $1.80. So I would actually give this one a 10 out of 10. Next product. Okay, here's our next product. So this product actually got pretty bad reviews, saying it like broke or something, and the package is like... So let's see if these reviews are true. This is $4.06. Okay, so people were saying that their ball arrived deformed, and our ball is not deformed. So I'd say that's a win so far. It comes with this yellow thing. I don't really know what this is for. And this container for it to sit in, and a USB. I think you have to charge this. So how do I turn this on? Oh, okay. I see a button here. I'll be right back. Oh my god. This thing. You guys see it? It's the flying. Can I control it? Oh. Oh, it's going everywhere. Wow, this is fun. Oh, this is how you... I can turn it on and off with this, so... I just turned it off! Oh no, where's it going? This thing has a mind of its own, I swear. It's gonna attack me tonight. So, that was pretty fun. It works very well. I would rate it a 9 out of 10 though, just because it flies a lot, but it's very good, and I would say it's worth it. Go buy this, guys. Okay, let's get to our next item, and this is $4.06, by the way. Okay, our next product is, I don't know what it is, but let's see while we open it. Oh, there's two things in here. Well, let's get onto the first one. I think I know what this is. Oh my gosh, this is hard to open, bro. I'm strong. Ooh, it's this thingy. So, look. So, this is actually a two-piece. That's why there's two things in there. So let's get the other one out. It's said to buy two because it's like a challenge thing. So that's what I did. Here's our second one. Okay, so supposedly I'm supposed to take the spring out of this one. And, bro, it already broke. Look at this, guys. This is very bad quality. Let me try to take this yellow part off. This is just breaking so much. Oh my gosh. Well, that automatically takes off like 6 points from this. I guess we'll try to do it, but that's very bad. So you're supposed to stack them on top of each other. Like that. And I guess I can like... You're supposed to take this yellow part off, but it just broke so much that I couldn't. Anyways. We can put that thing on, I guess. I just can't put the other half on since it broke. Or I can't put that on. Anyways, let's put the balls in here. The challenge is that it's not supposed to come out. Can you hold it? So, lower. So, the ball is not supposed to, like, go out of this thing when you bounce it. So, let's see if we can complete this challenge. Ooh, wow. And if you want, if you bought a second one, it only comes with one of these yellow things per each, but you can put it on top. It doesn't really fit since I don't have the other half of it that broke. Doesn't really fit, but whoa, that was cool. than it breaking. I'd say this is pretty good, but the breaking takes off a lot of points. Let's see if we can do it with 2 balls. Wow, that's cool. So with it breaking, I would like rate this a 3, but it was $4.14. So maybe to a 2 because it broke so quick. But other than that, this product is really fun, but it breaks very easily. So let's get on to our next product. Okay, last but not least, let's review this last product. Ooh, it's this thing. So this is supposed to like go up. I saw somebody playing with it at my school. It was $2.70. I'm really excited for this one. I didn't check the reviews, so I don't really know, but can you hold it down? Well, it's not as big as the video says it was. The video says it was kind of bigger, but it's doing exactly what the video says. It's just like, I feel like it's a little bit stuck here at the bottom. Like it's not coming out all the way, but it is. Pretty cool. And it also just like goes flat, so you can just like, oh, that's cool. That noise is satisfying. ASMR. This is pretty satisfying. This took me a little bit to get used to with like the edges here being so like weird. But I would rate this probably a 9 out of 10. It was pretty cool. And the quality is pretty good, I think. But it can go up and down and round and round, as you guys can see. And I'll put the video up here as well, as I do for all the products. But yeah, I would say this is pretty good. And I love the color as well. Anyways, that is going to wrap up today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Bro, why are you dipping? I feel you're upside down. Whoa. Oh, it's working. Change my review to 10 out of 10 if I didn't already do that. My cameraman. Can you bring it over here? It's in my bathroom. Give me the ball. Pass it. Wait, let me grab it from you. Let me grab the ball from you. He flew! Get over here. I have it. Oh!
Are you gonna come down and have this?
In a minute. Oh no, it's dying. I need to charge him. Yes! I'm gonna win all of them. 4 to go. Ow. Yes. 2 left. Yes! I got all of the dinosaurs. My life has officially been complete.